Welcome to Dishonored. I still kind of like setting this trap off from this beginning point the most. I really need to actually hit the wire though. And I need to hit it from a place where I don't get hurt just like that. And I need to ensure the coast is clear.
Come on, spread out.
Before coming over here and doing anything. Now I would really like to just be able to go up. Can I please just go up?
There?
Okay, I think I'm still hidden. Am I still hidden? Please God, let me still be hidden.
Come on, spread out.
I don't think they know where I am. However, this feels really risky. Holy crap! So there's at least 4 of them. Oh, they stopped and they're talking up there now. That's really interesting. Huh. That's really interesting, actually. That moves them from where they were over here. Nobody saw that, right? Somebody did, but I think it's going to be okay. And we're going to go a little loud. Nobody's seen it yet. Oh, that guy over there still has the little bit of a an alert icon, but not totally. And I think I've passed through here and gotten most of what's down here. That body may or may not be found. Okay, before I get hasty here and get excited about leaving this area, let me peer through the keyhole. I kind of feel like there's still something here I'm missing here. Hold up. Hold up! What would you do? I would go back through and search the areas that I know are now safe. That's what I would do. Yeah, see, this is where I was trying to get. If I could have gotten up here from this far side, my God, this entire room would have been so much easier. And that reminds me, there was a place when I was in this room that it told me, and you know what? I see a couple items right there that I missed. That bothers me. Oh, okay, no. I was thinking that was actually something there. It said, oh.
There is a strong drink made here. I tried it once. Distilled from river crusts, but I tasted it.
Huh. So it tastes pretty bad, huh? Well, I kind of want to go down there and see what that is, but I'm not going to. Let's progress. This being 28 meters over here, I kind of think it's going to be on the other side of this wall. So through the door. Yeah, it certainly is. So let's head that way. I assume this is still safe. It looks safe. And now I'm safe. Okay, so I made it through there with no damage, I believe, overall, after, what was that, 3 failed attempts? Oh my. That actually pleases me a lot. Don't let it get to you. I really like seeing a game that has a difficulty that makes me think about it. That makes me not just run into a situation and blow things away. I played Halo on the hardest difficulty, and I could basically still just stay at full sprint throughout that entire game and beat it. And it was actually pretty difficult, I gotta say, but not so much that I really had to think about situations. If I died in a place, oh God, oh God, oh God. If I died in some point, I basically just tried it again and tried to be more accurate. What is this guy doing over here? He's just looking at some broken down machine. I wonder if I could probably teleport right behind him. That looks good. Oh, hey there, guy. How you doing? I would very much like your body on my shoulder. Because it's going to come over here where I think people are less likely to come find you. Unconscious? So if he's unconscious, he'll stand back up, I think, when I come back through here. Empty elixir vial, huh? So I guess they use these elixir vials down here for something. I am not sure what. Ooh, coins! Empty elixir bottle, an actual health elixir. And we have elixir accounts. Next batch. And different families get different doses. Interesting. So I feel like I'm sitting in Slackjaw's office right now. Bootleg still instructions. Attach an empty elixir vial to the spout before you turn the thing on. Turn the valve on. Collect the full vial. Repeat until empty. Do not break vials. Do not spill any elixir. No free swigs. Valve. Okay, so I've got to attach an empty bottle first, right? Let me put my knife up. I've got some delicate work to do here. An empty vial. So the empty vial, no, is gonna go here. Yes, there. Infect Bootleg Elixir. Create Bootleg Elixir. Hold on, I want to see if I can create a health potion first. Hey, look at that! That is beautiful! What? Somebody said something. Somebody said that they know I was here. So hold on here. How many elixirs can I create? I'm going to create as many as I can. That's it. He's gone. Somebody's still checking me out. Create a Bootleg Elixir. I hope I don't end up using too much of this, and I cannot carry any more elixirs. Is that so? Well, let me use one. Now I can carry more, right? Wow, this is going to be quite useful. Can I fill one more? If I can, then I'm certainly going to drink another. And create one more. We're getting ready to infect it. We're getting ready to infect it. And let's go ahead and use one more. I am full health! I think this is the first time I've been full health since, I don't know, like the prison. Now this time we're actually going to infect it. Yeah, rat guts. Contaminate the Bottle Street Gang's Bootleg Elixir with plague. Done. Visit Granny Rags for your gift. Sweet. Okay, so now I think I just have to escape. Though I would like to do a little bit more than just escape. I would definitely like to find even more loots. Loots are good. Skyrim has taught me that I should find all the loots I can. So there's a tripwire here, and there's a projectile launcher there. I'm thinking that means the tripwire's to that projectile launcher, but I'm going to quick save it in case I, like, kill myself here. Okay, I'm alive. Nothing bad happened. That is awesome. Let me go back to sneaking, as I'm sure there are going to be some enemies right around the corner. No smoking. Violators will be reported and punished. That's funny. So where is this? Okay. Okay, so this goes back into the main room. I actually don't... You know what? I'm going to open this door. I don't really like this option, though. Because this is out in the open. Yeah, okay, I'm going to close this door. It's closer to where I need to go, but there's not as many options for subterfuge. So I'm going to go back around and go up and above and out that way. Oh, let me not forget this little balcony area up here. The Rat Plague? Yeah, I think I've already seen that book, actually. Okay, okay, up and out we go. Oh, I almost forgot something, and I'm almost sure it's in this distillery, so hold up. As a matter of fact, I'm pretty sure it's back here. Oh, what is this? Yes! How could I have almost forgotten? A bone charm. Yeah, it's right up there. So let's see. What can we achieve here? I don't really see anywhere where I can... Maybe I can just... Oh, hold up. Get off the chair. Don't need to be doing any chair acrobatics. Huh. It's right on top of this beam. Maybe. I'm just not close enough to that one. Oh, what a bother. I can't get on top of that one. I can't get on top of that one. So what can I do here? You know what? You're worrying me, so you gotta die. Sorry about you. And okay, I'm seeing something develop here. What do we have? What do we have? Hold up, hold up. Remember that Nazi about the mana. Oh god, I can see it. I can see the friggin' bone charm. Oh, I still don't think I can get to it. That would be a very painful fall, too. Okay, well, I guess I am on the top rafters now. Maybe this will allow me some functionality over here. I will try. I don't think it's gonna work out for me, though. Oh, what's this? What's this? Oh, yeah. Oh, no, come on now, come on now. Okay, so wait, I can stand on these whiskey barrels? Okay. I can't climb through there, but I can stand on whiskey barrels. Well, that's fine and well, I suppose. Come over here and use that. I feel like we have a bit of a strange jumping puzzle here. Maybe not. Maybe I just blink right up to this whiskey barrel and then, now I am close enough, so... Voila! Bone charm for me! 3 out of 5 bone charms found. So let's see what I just acquired. Welcoming host. You can possess white rats for longer. Huh. I don't have possession yet, so of course I'm not going to load that. Is there an easy way to get down? Yeah, that's right. I can just start to drop and then blink before I hit the ground. They keep hearing me running from the other room over. It's kind of neat that they can. But but they're not gonna find me. Spoiler alert,
Where'd you run off to?
I am actually more slippery than hagfish guts. Yeah, hagfish
He's as
guts are
slippery
really
as
slippery
hagfish
too.
guts.
Yeah, see, he concurs. Hagfish guts ain't got nothing on my slipperiness.
It's just a matter of time, buddy.
So I see one gang member here still. There's another one down below. I'm gonna need to drop at least down to there. Huh. I think I might have the room to do that right now. I don't think anyone saw me. Can I get out? I think I'm good to go. Wow, we have a clear of the distillery. Aw, yeah. Well, I guess not quite, huh? Oh, that's right. There are guards, gang members, who, let's see, I thought I killed just about... Oh, that's not cool. I thought I killed just about all the ones that I put to sleep. So maybe, maybe some repopulation does occur.
It's just a matter of time.
I'd be cool with that, honestly. Makes things a bit more interesting, makes things feel a little more visceral. And
Someone's still around.
yeah, someone is still around, but you're never gonna find me. I'm gonna run around your store, touching all the
Someone's about to get
candy.
shanked.
No, no shanking. I think I will remain unshanked, please and thank
Where'd
you.
you run off to?
I did not run. I teleported. Oh, I think not. So, there. I think I've basically done away with the entire Bottle Street gang because they're gonna start bottling things and they gonna die from it. I suppose maybe they'll catch on. Maybe not all of them will die. I think most of them will, though. Go back to Bottle Street. We gotta go talk to Granny and get my reward. I assume it's another rune. Although I guess it could be a number of things. Kinda worried about Bottle Street gang members being around still. And I wonder when and if I'm gonna get to run into Mr. Slackjaw. Hey, Granny. That will never wash. Oh boy, this old lady's so freaky. You know what I want to try while I'm thinking of it? You know, I don't think there really is a difference in the run speed when you have your weapon put up. Doesn't seem like it anyway. Oh, sleep darts. I've been using those. Hey, Granny!
I knew you wouldn't disappoint me.
No,
now
of course
I can
not.
stroll along the waterfront in peace.
Yeah.
And don't think I've forgotten your little gift. Go on upstairs.
You are one magical lady, Granny Rags. Oh, food. I didn't necessarily need it. I actually, after getting all the potions, I did pretty good about not bumbling around like a complete buffoon. Another rune! Hooray! Gentlemen callers, collect your gift from Granny Rags. So there I am. Runes, runes, runes. So I actually have a rune that I could spend. What's the level up version of Blink? Rapid forward movement for a longer distance, huh? Interesting. So, should I save up for the next Blink or should I go? Oof, I really wanna save up actually to this agility. That second level overall movement speed is increased, could be huge. That'll actually let me get away from packs of enemies whenever I do anger them. And I'm a buffoon enough that I will be angering them. Let's see. Possession seems fun. Allows control of animal targets for a short duration. Level 2 allows control of human targets for a shorter duration. Interesting. So I think that's going to be, I don't know, most useful on like rats and stuff. But, huh. Dark vision. See in the dark and through walls, right? And even fields of vision. I wonder how dark vision works. It says mana consumption is very low. It says that for Blink too, and Blink takes like, I don't know, roughly a quarter of my mana. Let's see. Level 2. See in the dark and see living beings through walls, including their fields of vision. Representations of the sounds that you make are also visible. See useful objects and security systems through walls as well. Strategic tips. Dark vision is highly useful for stealth, allowing you to watch enemies from behind walls before approaching them. Seeing an enemy's facing and view cone gives you a significant advantage in terms of sneaking. With this power active, you can see visual representations of the sounds you make as well, which further aids in sneaking and understanding stealth. At level 2, useful items, resources, and security devices, such as the Wall of Light, are visible through walls too. Huh. I want to see the tutorial. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Well, it's not the most visually stimulating tutorial ever. I think dark vision would be really handy because I constantly run into trouble just trying to determine guard walk paths and such. But, you know what? Screw it. Let's go ahead and get it. What's the worst that could happen? I'll end up using it, right? So, what do we have here? The heart? We have dark vision. Yeah, okay. I think I want to switch some of my numbers up here, though. I'm actually not going to use these aggressively, so let's put that all the way over on 0. And I guess let's bump this up to like 5. Let's put the heart way over on like 9, because again, I'm not going to be using that aggressively. There's not going to be any point in time where I need to switch over to the heart really quickly. God, that rune is just so close. Alright, what else can I do here in this? I know that I wanted to run over here, and God, it feels like I'm just so sluggish running. I wanted to come over here and, other than checking a dumpster...
Attention, Dunwall citizens. John
That slowdown's
Boulevard
cool.
has been designated a restricted travel area.
I wanted to open this
Any
wall of light,
citizens are liable to search or imprisonment.
and I wanted,
Discretion of the
oh god.
city watch.
Oh, nice! I opened the wall of light and a pack of rats go running in there. You know what? I bet if I would have come over here and opened this wall of light first, they would have eaten a lot of the guards up out there. Huh. The more you know. So what do we have in here? Oh, health? I'm actually full on them. That's kind of cool. Note to Sergeant Hayburn. What is this? Sergeant Hayburn. All the Wall of Light components have been delivered to your station, and I expect it to be functional before midnight. You've also been provided with several spare whale oil tanks, should the need arise. Last, it's come to my attention that various watchmen continue the adolescent practice known as rat burning. Remember, oil is not cheap. Please keep your men under control. Captain Curnow. So Captain Curnow was the gentleman who I rode in on the boat with, and I've been given instructions to free him. So I think we have this whole section open now. Huh. I wonder if there's anything on those balconies. I'm not sure I ever checked them, and that makes me want to go do so while I have some spare time, while I'm floating through some old zones here. I can't get up to that one, can I? Yes, I can! Because they've given me a nice little, jump pad over here. And there is nothing on any of these. So was this, yeah, I want to go in real fast. I think I went up to the 3rd level here. Yeah, okay. I see. Yep. Nothing in there. Back out to Clavering. And let's feel risky and then save. Oh, that totally didn't work. Wow. Okay, so hold on. I wanna try this a couple times now that I know that this is a good place to try it. Let me I wonder. So I blinked straight down. I'm wondering if that kept my momentum. I'm gonna try to fall, like, say past one of these things and then blink over to the top of it. That's probably going to be a little difficult, but let's give it a try. Oh, no, it still hurts. So blinking is not a valid way to fall from high distances and not take damage. Huh. Well, let me load one more time because I definitely don't want to just waste all that life for no good reason, as I can come down off of this in a safe manner. Let me go ahead and do so. Huh, what is this? So, in my way back down off the 2nd balcony, I noticed some air vents leading this way, back through to the initial area. And there are some king sparrow feathers up here. Okay, just worth some coin, apparently. So that's another easy way up. That's actually, this is actually a lot easier to get to the 2nd part of Clavering Boulevard than going around to Granny Rags over there. However, I'm glad I went over to Granny Rags. She has provided me quite the boon in double runes. So let's see what lies beyond the 2nd wall of light. I know I've already been over there, but I didn't actually, other than killing a couple guys, I didn't do a whole lot of looking around over here. And now I think, you know what, and as I say that, I was getting ready to say I think I've thoroughly bottomed out everything before this. I don't think I have now. I want to see if there's a way to get, so that looks like I can get up there and do something. Huh. Let's Hold on, let's explore this real quick. I was getting ready to say, I want to go check to see if I can find my way around Granny Rags' house, or maybe along the riverbed or something, and find a way back to where that one rune is located. Because there is still one over there, and I am not going to leave it. Ah, okay, more king sparrow feathers. Hey, and this is pretty nice for... I guess there's not a real easy way to get over there. Oh, there's some items on top of that. I might have to pick those up. This would be really nice for scouting out these guard patrols. This is a way better place than where I was on top of that thing. That didn't help basically at all. So before I go past that third wall of light, let me double all the way back to Granny's house one more time and see. Yeah, okay, and then that's just the door to Holger Square, so I'm not really missing anything over there. So once I make sure that I have bottomed out Granny Rags' place, more items or rewire tools, sweet. Glad I'm checking around corners. They've got little stuff hidden all over the place. Once I double all the way back and get that, I'll be confident that I can go ahead and feel like I've really bottomed this place out. Now, totally bottomed it out. I would like to see the score I end up getting on this, how many coins I got, because I feel like I'm actually hitting about every nook and cranny here. Okay, I'll see you at Granny's. Okay, so my idea, so let's see, 9 it was? Yeah, 9 it was. There's a rune way over there, and I couldn't see any clear way to go through Granny's to get to it. So I think there might be some way around the edge here. I'm very, very conscious of the potential of dangerous fish being in the water. I'm not sure if they're in all waters or just those incredibly gross waters. But I'm going to keep an eye out for them either way. Oh, and I think I'm now in some water that I can't necessarily just jump up and out of. Alright, let's swim over here a ways and see what we're dealing with. I see a very Half-Life 2 looking tower. And let's see, I want to see again. Oh, I guess I can't really have my hands out when I'm swimming, can I? Huh. Am I hitting invisible wall here? I think I'm up against an invisible wall. I'm not traveling anymore in that direction. That's sad to see. Huh. Well, let me see if I can do a little bit of climbing here. So again, it's like...
I will be glad to rest.
Huh.
At the academy, they cut the flesh of the dead and trap the lightning from the sky.
They cut the flesh of the dead and trap the lightning from the sky. Why so mysterious, Empress? At least I assume that's the Empress. By no means do I know for sure yet. Huh, okay, well let me get back up to Granny's house and let me search around there a little bit more. Oh, nice. A wanted poster that shows my face. Corvo Atano. And that is why I must wear the mask. Oh, hey, I didn't actually get up there. Hold up. Let me try that again. Seeing how much stuff there was on top of these in that other zone. Makes me want to check the top of this one here. And nothing. And I don't think I ever got up on that roof. But it doesn't look like there's anything up there. So to Granny's we go! And in my searching, no, I'm still not back over at Granny's place yet. Oh, that's not quite what I wanted to do. Can I hit the pipe? I'm afraid that I can't. I saw a room over here. So hold up. We may not have explored as well as we think. So I went that way to get to the far area, but I don't think I've come in here. No, certainly not. Rewire tool, Perth jewel box, 50 coins, nice. Whale oil blubber, nothing else. More. Oh, 2 health potions, holy crap, the food, there's food everywhere in here. This would have been an amazing find a little bit earlier, before some of my difficulties. That looks like something, but it's just a little bright texture in a dark room. Alright, once again, heading to Granny Rags. And actually, I'm basically here. So let's just poke around, shall we? So, once again, our Rune...
Why am I so cold?
Still another 20 meters that way.
Up so we can breathe. That will never wash. Never, never, never.
Granny, tell me your secrets. I know you got a trap door or something in here. You've got a basement, actually. What's this? Huh. Oh. Oh. There's a door. There's just a friggin' door back here that I just never looked in. That looks like a coffin, but I'm pretty sure it's a boat. It looks like a giant's coffin. Wow. Okay, so here, yet another rune. There's so much glowing. I just feel like there's some stuff on the ground or something here. Let's just go ahead and snatch the rune. 4 out of 7 runes found. This one was a special one.
Corvo. They call her Granny Rags.
Yeah?
You wouldn't recognize her real name, or even the name of her family. But an emperor begged for her hand once.
Wow.
And rich young men fought each other.
I guess I was wrong about her just scavenging some nice
I
clothes.
watched her consider them all, measure their worth, and find them wanting.
You've watched a lot, haven't you?
Then, she made a different choice. You're on your way to face the High Overseer, the leader of a great cult dedicated to loathing me. What will you do, I wonder?
Huh. What a good question to ask. I'm pretty sure that I'll be killing him. But, I don't know. Haven't really considered the choices.
Sweet birdies.
Well,
Where
what an interesting
did my
end.
birdies go?
Yeah, they're not around.
Maybe they should pay a visit to those young men. Wouldn't that be?
Birdies. She talks about her birdies as if there's something quite sinister. Alright, so I've gotten another rune. I know I used my last one pretty hastily on Dark Vision, which I haven't even tried out yet. And now I'm back down to only having 1 rune, which of course I can't spend, so I guess I should stop looking around, huh? So did that say 4 out of 7? I wonder where I could see that statistic. I feel like there should be a place where I can see something about mission items, maybe? Nothing to display, huh? I've got 2,000 coins, too. I need to find out where I can spend those. Huh. There's got to be a way that I can see, like, the current mission sword crossing upgrade. Yeah, that's right. There's got to be a way that I can see the current level statistics. That bothers me a good bit. It bothers me indeed. Alt says show history. Oh, I guess these are tasks I've completed. Yeah, it must be. Shift can put an objective on or take it off. Okay, that's good to know. At the very least. Why does it not show me mission items? I feel like that's where it should tell me how many runes there are altogether. I guess the next time I find one, it'll say something about it. And ultimately I can use this. Huh. Well, I know that I hadn't got the full count yet, and this doesn't show runes anywhere.
Attention,
Which worries me. I
Dunwall
wonder if I have to
citizens.
be within a certain
The following
distance.
businesses have
Let's
been
travel
closed
back
and
to the other side of the
impounded
wall
by the state due to
and see if we can
contamination.
find that to be the case.
Barrow's Barbershop and Surgery, the Duke and Dancer Ale
Still the
House,
Holger
Merritt's
Square.
Printing Firm, Pennyworth's Tack and Saddle Emporium, and the Smoke Street Dice Hall.
Oh, this intercom shenaniganery. I am too curious. Nothing? Nothing? Okay, fine. Fine. Still no love on additional runes. I know there's at least 1 more here. I think it said I just now got 5 out of 7. If there are 2 more runes here, oh god. I could not live with myself if I passed up 2 whole runes. But you know what? Maybe it counts the Dunwall Distillery and this Holger Square as parts of the same level. So maybe my 7, maybe there are 2 more in Holger Square that I haven't found. And I think I'm going to have to call it there. So thanks for watching, everybody. I hope my sluggish pace doesn't bother you, but I am determined. Maybe when I do my second playthrough, I'll be doing a stealth playthrough. If I do one, maybe I'll be able to do it a little bit more quickly, as there won't be so much, what's going on? What's over here? Oh my god. So again, thanks. See you later.